Okay, my name is Dr. James Gesami. I am the Deputy Governor for Nyamira County, and His Excellency Amos Nyaribo is my governor in the county. And I have listened to the media this morning and wish to deny the allegation that I am colluding with the members of the county assembly to impeach him. And I would like to state that 28 members of the assembly signed the impeachment motion on their own evolution. None of them talked to me whatsoever. I also want to deny giving MCS any money for impeachment of Governor Nyaribo. I also want to add that there were rumors that my wife had given some money to some MCS for the same. And I would like to state that if there is any evidence to that, let it be stated. I want to say, right from the word go, that I have been in civil service and public sector for 43 years now. 31 in medicine, 12 in parliament, and I'm very conversant with issues of collective responsibility, and therefore, as a member of the cabinet or a member of the executive in Nyamira, I wouldn't have participated in such a kind of thing, and I would not. I also want to say that we have leaders who have been elected in Nyamira, the governor and the deputy, the senator, the women rep, and the members of parliament, and also members of the county assembly. And I've said in this media before, and very many other media, that in fact, we need to work together to realize or to provide services for the people of Nyamira, which some people in Nyamira, and quite a number of people, are not satisfied that we have provided those services. I've in particular discussed issues of health services and the collection of garbage with Mheshimiwa Nyaribo, but we still continue seeing a few things. So whatever the MCAs brought in are common things with the people of Nyamira in terms of, not providing services adequately. So it doesn't have to take me to actually go to the MCAs to tell them the obvious, that in fact, they can see medicines are not in hospital. They can see garbage all over. So really, I don't have to tell MCAs that go and impeach Governor Nyaribo because he has not provided the service that we were supposed to provide. So I would like to categorically deny all those allegations, and if he has got any evidence, to bring the evidence on board. Now, one of the things I would like to state here, ni kwamba I am a politician on my own right, and I've been in politics for over now coming to 20 years, and therefore I've got so many friends, both in Kisii, Nyamira County, and nationally. So I need nobody to guide me who to talk to and who not to talk to. I talk to both past and present leaders, and I owe nobody an apology for talking to these people. But I have never talked to them about impeachment of my governor. That I can say clearly, that I have talked to MCAs, I've talked to MPs, I've talked to senator, I've talked to women rep, we have met. Even the other day I was in parliament following my SACCO issues, And we met, we had a cup of tea. But we did not talk anything about issues of impeachment of Governor Nyaribo at all. Say that I have worked with the Governor Nyaribo without much problems. You have never heard anything in the media that we are different, except one time when we were forming the government, when I complained that I had asked Nyaribo, Governor, to give me some slots, which I did not get. I was obviously, as a human being, I was offended, and I felt, I went to law, but over the time we have worked, I have done my work. I have attended all cabinet meetings. I have gone to where he has sent me to represent him. The last time I represented him in Kisumu on the bill on people living with disabilities, and I have no problem with him myself. Inga Nyamira nebuate leaders yaba ntore governor Uyiro Mugaka Nyaribo na inje deputy Dr. Gesami. Ntobuate senator. Ntobuate abachumbe bane ne women rebu igomba tano. Ntobuate aba MCA bonspi. Lakini rende abantu abambo onsi nende na atebiri in previous records with you ng'abantu aba babwenerete bachamo bakwana manganare county yetu Nyamira tumanye ngakitoko nyepushi uchibosio egento kire concern y'abantu abange igo ntutagetiko tebyo tutagetiko tebaninga in the deputy, we have shared this na muno Mugaka Nyaribo nga we have to have a meeting gete togote bya abantu bedu nga ngaitogocha ngaitokorwa ngaitolebono iga ki meeting ejo njira take place in Kolengeli as much as some of us would have liked. In chengo mo deputy governor tigante benga ne politician inde on my own right no ne county na bongo kwa ne my opinion. But I'm a team leader. And I've told in the cabinet, we must work as a team to deliver services to the people of Nyamira. Particularly, and I've mentioned this to Governor, among health services, among garbage collection, a security market chito, ko chakera keroka, ko genda kebirgo, ke chauri, Nyamire town. All those areas to akwani renere. Now what they're thinking to get a bad name. And we have agreed and we have discussed it. Even Tebio, those who are some of the things in Gorenge Biarenge in an assuming into Kia MCA, those were things they were asking for. You got a yigan to Tanagokwana to akwani again take you. You got a there is no way na go participate sabara ya babande ba msi ngamba tebinga njumu imbichi. I would be actually out of order to do that at my age.